Oh, okay. Now, please tell me something, right? Um, Malema, Julius Malema, revealed something. And what Malema said becomes very relevant, especially considering the fact that now we are seeing EMK party Jacob and Jacob Zuma approaching the court. So what I'm about to say becomes extremely relevant. Now, Malema once said, it has been alleged that it is in the CR17 statement, you have about 17 judges that were not 17 guys, 46 judges that were bribed by Ramaphosa. Now I know you said to me, Bongs, what's the relationship between that which Malema said and the MK party, right? Well, there is a very serious relationship there because if, for instance, this can be proven indeed that those judges are there in a statement that was refused to the public, right? It can be very tricky because how do you then expect this let's say unless you don't know where the judges are sitting, you don't know, maybe they are sitting in a high court, lower court, we don't know. But then you have MK party going into the court. What if you are launching an application to a judge that is is on somebody's packet? Do you see what I'm trying to say? So I'm gonna play you the video got Julius Malema speaking about that. And when I saw this, I was like, huh? So hey, just think about it in relation to EMK party now being in court. Like, think about it. It doesn't give me peace, me, in a personal. I don't know when. But me and your personal, it doesn't give me peace. It makes me ask a lot of questions to say, La, if this is true, should we expect everything to be free and fair? Should we expect, hey, my God, hey, now that I'm thinking about it, don't worry, guys. I'm gonna give you the video, Gamalema, because I don't just say things. I always want to speak when there's an evidence and then give you the evidence. So take everything that we're about to say with a pinch of salt and use the word allegedly. You'll be safe. Now, I want you to listen to the video of Julius Malema attentively. I want you to listen to that video very carefully, analyzing each and every single word. But before we can listen to the video of Julius Malema, take a look at what you need to do here. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying? Will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Yes, following this will be the video of Julius Malema where he exposes this. Now I want you to notice this, I want you to note this. The CR17 statement, we were told, seal them. They are not for public to see it. And we spoke about the double standard there. So I'm not going to go back into that one. We spoke about it. Let's just forget about it. But here's another one. Hey, guys. MK Party has recently taken the IEC to court. So if the statement from Malema is to be believed, can you then expect things to be fair, on Zuma and MK Party. If what Malema is saying here can be true, you know what I'm saying? Can you then believe, or can you then expect fairness now? No, it's a question that I have. But I know you want to know what Malema said in that video. Take a look at what he said. Here.
President,
in comparison.
you are using us
Yeah.
to hide a critical issue of the favorite who paid 500 million. And you know, I walk with confidence because I refuse to take all of you serious. If it was Malema 500 million, all of you will be asking the question, was tax paid? Are these people paying tax? How are they? This hypocrisy makes me very happy because no one will come to me and tell me any nonsense until you scrutinize all of us. This thing you are taking me on Mazoti, you don't take the president on such things. The president has sealed the documents in court. And what makes me even more worried is that we are told there are 46 judges in those sealed documents. Are you not interested to know if there are judges there?
Let's put the president.
Let's leave that. No, that's why we must put him aside because he's the favorite.
Can I ask? No. But
he
for
must
now,
never be touched like
because
that.
we're talking to you. No,
Yes.
because we're talking to you now.
Yes.
Are you saying that because you call yourself a government?
So now, please, do me a favor. Like, just small favor. Small, probably this small. You know what I'm saying? Tell me, should we expect fairness or we should expect otherwise? What to expect if what Malema is saying is to be believed? If there's anything to go by from what Malema said, should we expect the MK party to win against the IEC? Remember that if what Malema says is to go by, any decision that will be given in favor of MK, it implicates who? Ramaphosa. So if Ramaphosa has bribed judges, they are on his pocket, allegedly, then why will they give judgment in favor of anyone associated with, not in favor of anyone associated with Ramaphosa? It's a question that I'm beginning to have. And so if that's the case, you can get to a point where you can almost preempt the result to say it's not going to be in favor of EMK. And it makes me worry then, what Malema said, it makes me worry. And my worry is, my worry is, MK Party has launched an application to interdict the sitting of parliament. Are we not going to see people overriding all of that? I mean, honestly, we've seen it, where it was said that Jacob Zuma is the first person who has been sentenced without a sitting, or where he argued his case. He's the first person in South Africa to be sentenced in that format. Whereas in South Africa, you are called. It's always emphasized that you are called and then you argue your case and then you get sentenced if you get sentenced. But he was sentenced without all of that process. So look, that is why even today, the lawyer or the advocate who advocate to Dalimpo always argues that. And from a distance, Nami, it doesn't look good. Like, I mean, honestly, it doesn't paint a good picture about our judicial system. He should have been called to answer for himself, and then you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that did not happen. So it sets a presidency. Will they not do the same thing where you are expecting things to go this way, or you're expecting things to go this way, and they decide to take things this way, right? I'm very worried if MK will even succeed in interdicting the sitting of parliament. Considering what Malema said here, it worries me that will he even succeed in interdicting that? If anything is to go by, or if we are to take what Malema says and go with it, tell me in the comment section below. I'm very interested to hear your thought and your opinion. Do you think MK Party going to court considering what Malema said, do you think they stand a chance of succeeding? It's, it's 46 judges according to Malema. The question is, where are they? Right? Which position are they occupying? Where? Lower, middle, high court? Where are they? You know what I'm saying? Where are they? Allegedly. Yeah. Can we expect a victory then? The number, if it was 5, I would say, okay, 46. Hey, and what does me mean? Yeah, I'm very worried. Pela, you don't even know there. Like 46. 4, 6. Oh, hi guys. Yeah. I'm very worried.